Bridge mode is a fundamental networking concept that transforms how your UniFi Dream Router operates within your existing network infrastructure. Bridge mode disables the routing functions of your UniFi Dream Router, allowing your existing router to maintain control over network traffic, DHCP assignment, and firewall duties. In this configuration, the UniFi Dream Router essentially becomes a pass-through device or wireless access point, seamlessly integrating into your existing network topology. One of the primary benefits of bridge mode is avoiding double NAT issues. When two routers both perform network address translation, it can cause connectivity problems and complicate network management. Bridge mode simplifies network management by consolidating all routing responsibilities to your existing router. This creates a single point of control for your entire network infrastructure. When configured in bridge mode, the UniFi Dream Router integrates seamlessly with your existing network infrastructure, whether you have other UniFi devices or a mixed environment. The key concept to remember is that bridge mode transforms your UniFi Dream Router into a wireless access point, handing off all routing duties to your existing router for simplified and centralized network management. First, access your UniFi Dream Router interface. Open a web browser and navigate to unifi.ui.com or enter the UDR's IP address directly. Next, disable the DHCP server on your UniFi Dream Router. This prevents IP address conflicts with your existing router's DHCP service. Assign the UniFi Dream Router a static IP address within your existing network subnet. Make sure this IP is outside your existing router's DHCP range to avoid conflicts. Disable NAT if the option is available, then look for and enable bridge mode or IP pass-through in the UDR settings. This allows your existing router to handle all routing functions. Connect an Ethernet cable from a LAN port on your existing router to a LAN port on the UniFi Dream Router. Important, do not use the WAN port on the UDR in bridge mode. Finally, reboot both your existing router and the UniFi Dream Router. After they restart, verify the UDR appears in your router's DHCP client list and test internet connectivity through the UDR.